When I first started my business, my goal was to help women achieve their financial goals. But as I started speaking to my potential clients, I discovered something really interesting. The reason they were not able to achieve their financial goals was because they didn't think they had what it took to achieve the goals that they set for themselves. The questions I often got from them is, how were you able to rebuild yourself financially? How is it that you were able to manifest your desires? And that's when I realized that a lot of the work that I was doing was something I took for granted that people were doing. So instead of launching my first business program, I went back to the drawing board and started re-evaluating what were the things I did in my life that actually worked. And when I reverse engineered what I was able to achieve, I created an entire program on this, and I helped women believe in their self-worth before they could achieve their financial goals. My program, the Empowered Woman Academy, has seen incredible results. I have had women quitting their job and expanding their business to 11 countries, and I have had women restore their relationship in their marriage. So whatever it is that you think you deserve, the first thing you need to work on is your self-worth. If you want to know more about the Empowered Woman Academy, click the link in my bio.